My name is Corey Zahora, and I'm a senior solution consultant with ServiceNow, specialized in strategic portfolio management. Today, we're going to talk about a brand new module that was introduced in our Vancouver release called Product Feedback. Before we begin, our safe harbor notice stating that this presentation may contain forward-looking statements that reflect the current beliefs of ServiceNow and are based on current information available. These forward-looking statements should not be relied upon in making purchasing decisions. Now, what is product feedback? Well, like I mentioned, product feedback is a brand new module in the strategic planning workspace that enables customers to intake feedback from several internal or external sources, including emails and the idea portal. With product feedback, you'll be able to consolidate feedback from diverse sources, uncover valuable insights, and align with customer needs. We want our customers to drive innovation by developing customer-centric ideas and improve cross-team collaboration with a shared platform for seamless communication. Also to note here that product feedback is only available with our SPM professional license. The features that we have within product feedback: for the feedback itself, we provide a dashboard overview to give product managers a quick way to analyze and drill into the data. They could filter the data by customer to prepare for a customer meeting, or view the top tags to identify common feedback topics and learn more. We want this dashboard to help product managers easily assess incoming data and observe reoccurring patterns. We are also looking for ease of use when collecting feedback. So with our Outlook add-in, we will allow you to convert emails directly into feedback items without leaving your email, saving time and ensuring that all information is captured. With our product ideas, we can connect one or more feedback items or planning items. Product managers can then combine similar feedback items and expand upon them. With those ideas, one or multiple feedback items can be linked to product ideas. If you think of feedback as the raw data, product ideas are where you combine and refine that feedback into a more developed idea. From this module, you can select an existing product idea or create a new one, or you could link that feedback directly to the product idea. So now, let's see what that looks like. I am now in the strategic planning workspace, and to get to the product idea section, this is where we go into the top left corner here and select this light bulb icon called Product Feedback. We have two sections here, our feedback section as well as our product idea section. From our feedback section here in our overview tab, this is where we can get a dashboard information that would relate to any of our feedback items. We have the ability to see top tags by feedback count here, top customers by feedback count, as well as any statistics, including feedback received in the last 7 days, feedback not linked to product idea, overall status of our feedback, as well as feedback that has been assigned to resources. At the top here as well, we have filters so that you can focus on products, business applications, sources, customers, or when they were created. If we need to submit feedback from this space, we do have the capability to do so, going into the top right corner and selecting new feedback. If we'd like to see a list of all of our feedback items, that's where we can go into the list section here. And from here, we can view all of the feedback items that we have captured within this portal. From this view, we'd be able to see the name, how many product ideas are linked to our feedback here, the state that our feedback is in, who it's assigned to, the source in which that feedback came from, what product that we're providing that feedback on, who the potential customer is, what type of feedback that this is, as well as the feedback number and additional information surrounding it. Now, to view more information on the feedback itself, we can click into that item, and on the right-hand side here is where we'd be able to see some high-level information on the feedback itself. If we'd like to link our feedback to a product idea from this point, we do have the ability to select this box here, and in the top right, I can then go ahead and link this to a product idea. Or if you'd like to, I can go ahead and go straight to a demand, epic, or project to link this feedback from. If we'd like to see more information on our feedback, we can go into the full details section of the feedback record. And within our details tab here, This is where we can see all the information that we saw in that small window, including the name, the description, what state that we have our feedback in, who it's potentially assigned to, what type of feedback is this, as well as the source, product, and who it was created by. Just as everything within the ServiceNow platform, we have the ability to compose work notes, as well as see an activity stream of what has happened with this feedback, and we are also able to capture any attachments that might be tied to this feedback. If there are any product ideas linked to this feedback, we'd have the ability to select our product ideas tab, and from there, we can dive into our product ideas to see some more information. We can also link planning items to our feedback items here, so that way if we need to see them on our strategic roadmap, we'd have full visibility to do so. To get to our product ideas, this is where we go into our product ideas section. From our overview tab, this is where we can see another dashboard view of our product ideas and have the ability to utilize our filters to focus more on what information we'd like to see. If we need to create a new product idea from this space, we can do so in the top right-hand corner. Otherwise, to view a list of our product ideas, we can go in here and see a similar view for what we saw in the feedback location. We can see feedback items that have been tied to our product ideas. We can look at what planning state it's in, our priority, and who the owner is, as well as customer and product. Diving into a product idea, I can see some basic information on the right-hand side here. If we'd like to see full information on our product ideas, we can do so. And in our details tab here, this is where we can start to include fields of information around our product ideas. If we'd like to, from this view, we can link this idea to a feedback item, or we can link this to a demand, to an epic, or a project as well. So that way you can start working on these ideas and feedbacks as they come in. We do have the ability to view our work notes as well as our activity stream here, and then provide any attachments as well. If we'd like to view what planning items are aligned with this product idea, we can view those from this tab, as well as any feedback items that we might have tied to this idea too. And then if there are any documentations within this space, we'd have full capabilities to see that too. Thank you for joining me today. To learn more about strategic portfolio management, go to ServiceNow.com or reach out to your account team.